Deploy Qubetics dVPN node instantly with Instanode's dVPN setup. Step 1. Sign in to Instanodes. Visit oneclick-app.instanodes.io. Create an account or sign in using OTP, Google, or social login. Step 2. Start Qubetics dVPN node deployment. From the one-click node, choose Qubetics. Click Deploy. Select the dVPN node option in the guided deployment flow. Step 3. Select your plan. Choose 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12-month plans. Step 4. Complete secure payment. Proceed to checkout and pay using an international credit/debit card. Step 5. Node provisioning. After payment, you'll see a confirmation screen. Step 6. Access Nodes in My Nodes page. Go to My Nodes to monitor, starting on, expiring in, node status, manage your plan. Step 7. Copy your node URL and credentials. Click View to reveal credentials shown once. Copy the node URL. Note, after the node is deployed, you must complete the remaining setup steps yourself, including configuring your wallet. The user needs to switch into the terminal and begin by entering the username and executing the required initialization command. Next, the user is prompted to enter the password to proceed with the configuration. After authentication, the user runs the Start Node command, which triggers the node initialization process. The Start Node script begins execution and sets up the required services automatically. Once the script is running, the user configures the node by setting the node name, wallet address, and mnemonic phrase. After successful configuration, the dVPN Instanode becomes active and starts operating on the network. Step 8. Open the Qubetics dVPN Operator Portal. Open the official Qubetics dVPN Node Operator platform. Step 9. Connect your wallet. Supported wallets: Kepler, Cosmos Station, Qubetics Wallet Extension. Step 10. Register as a node operator. Click Register as Operator and submit. Operator's name and email address. Bandwidth capacity. Pricing per gigabyte as per session. Approve the transaction from your wallet. Your node is now publicly discoverable by users looking for VPN providers.